There you are, YouTube. What the fuck are you doing in that tree? Come on, we got shit to do. Let's go. I am awake. It's Saturday morning, straight after the stream, and I needed to come out and fly. Gave me all that inspiration watching all those videos. I've got to go back and watch some of it because I got up a bit late, to be fair. So I'm just going to go for it, right? The time for not pushing is over. So I want to get some tight proxy tree. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. So we're gonna. It's too early. I can't fucking talk at this time. This is under 249, yeah, just about, but it takes a lot of building to get it under 249.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, hell of a lot of building. It's all carbon fibre, so yeah.
So you can fly it anywhere with no restrictions, really?
Much anywhere, yeah. I try to go places where early morning where I don't, you know, because it's easier. I don't want to get in anyone's way and I don't want to interfere with anyone, but yeah, it's nice, good hobby.
Got the music
Well, that was some amazing shit. I truly am the UK Mr. Still. Thank you, Sir Tom of Servo, for that title. I really appreciate it, brother. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you was entertained. That's kind of the point of this, right? And I hope you'll be back next time. Keep them spinning, keep it in the air. Only stab for pay. Learn something. This place is filling up with dog walkers and joggers, and I've got to get the fuck out of here and edit this video. So I'll catch you on the flip side next time. Love you all. Peace.